Oh my goodness. Crap. This is live capture. This is not being staged or reenacted. This is happening right now, although once you see it, it will have already happened. But look, my camera is shaking. That proves that this is completely real. This is amateur, spontaneous camera work. I don't know what's about to happen, and you don't know what's about to happen unless you've seen this tape already, because it's happening right now. You guys already know all about shaky cam. It's that aesthetic that you get with a handheld camera, and it used to be really, it's like the trademark of your typical home movie shot by amateurs. And it used to be an actual sign that the video that you were looking at was actually shot by everyday people captured live. But these days, professional shows use this aesthetic as well. And many people think it's because amateur video aesthetic is more trustworthy. It's easier to believe that it was captured live, undoctored, unedited, when it's got that shaky amateur look. Today, fictional TV shows and films have started using shaky cam too, as a way of appropriating this kind of liveness for themselves. Think about the Blair Witch Project and Cloverfield and films like that. Horror films really benefit from this liveness, from the liveness of shaky cam, because the more realistic a horror film is, the more plausible it seems, and the more plausible it seems, the scarier it is. But check out this clip from Masterpiece Theater's The Virgin Queen.
Where cannot some other method be found? Poison?
You think if your hand is unseen, God will be more lenient, honey?
Or this clip from The Office. They're totally using shaky cam. Why are they doing that? Why would they want to seem more realistic? It's not like they're the news or something like that. Well, I think that comedies like The Office are actually trying to leverage the spontaneous feeling of shaky cam. We get the impression that what we're looking at was captured live and that it really happened. And that actually, that actually boosts the comedic value. I mean, how many times have you told a joke and you ended it by saying, true story, that really happened? It's because when something is live and unpracticed, it tends to be a lot funnier than if it seems like the person has practiced a lot. The illusion of spontaneity is really important in comedy. So, and then also, what about drama? Like in Queen Elizabeth, shaky cam happens whenever there's like a super dramatic moment and people get all emotional. And I think that maybe it's because shaky cam makes it look like it was not practiced, like this just happened, and it kind of boosts the uncertainty of like this is happening right now, and we don't know what's going to happen, and we don't know how this is going to end. So it kind of boosts the suspense a little bit. So basically, shaky cam is an example. Shaky cam is an example of something that is being used to create the feeling of liveness. It used to be an actual sign of liveness and spontaneity, but now it's just a tool used to create the illusion of it. And you can see the Furor reading for more about that. The ideology of liveness, the illusion of it, overrides the actual fact that this is a tape and it was practiced and rehearsed, and it's not live at all. For instance, this tape was recorded at least 12 hours ago. So everything that's happening now actually already happened. Oh crap!